So policy implications of litigation finance. What are the pros? Greater access to justice. I've discussed this, I've hammered on this, and it's true, right? Better resources means better access to justice. Litigation finance creates better outcomes for litigants because it aligns outcomes with case merit. And why do I say that? Because a party that is adequately funded will not lose just because they don't have the means to hire the expert or the PI or properly conduct document review or computer forensics. They will lose because their case is not strong enough, right? It evens the playing field, very simply. Litigation finance creates better access to better resources, better lawyers, better trial presentation consultants, better jury consultants, better experts, better e-discovery vendors. That's a good thing. Litigation finance has a filtering function because meritorious cases will get access to capital while unmeritorious ones starve. Now, this is especially true when the risk and the interests are aligned. When you are talking about non-recourse investments, that means that the only way that the litigation finance company wins is if the case wins. And if that's the case, then the litigation finance company has no interest in investing in a loser case. And that is why I really wanted to underscore that diligence process is a real diligence process where the strengths of the case are tested by the underwriting team to make sure that it's a good case. Also, litigation finance shifts the risk to a party that is better equipped to handle that risk, a repeat player, like a litigation finance company and a law firm, right? And then I really believe this. Litigation finance levels the playing field between the Davids and the Goliaths. I spent over a decade litigating. I did key tam cases where there's a plaintiff against a massive company. I did civil rights cases where we're dealing with going up against states or governments or cities. Talk about being out-resourced, and outnumbered. And I also did cases where I went up against abusers on behalf of their victims. And again, there's a big uneven distribution of power, and litigation finance helps to even that power out.